Hey guys, I hope that you guys have had a wonderful long weekend. As you know, it's back to school for most students, so that means my little one is off to her first day of school, and it means that we have to get back into some type of a routine. But today I'll be showing you this very pretty pastel gradient that I did along with some stamping. So if you'd like to see how this nail art was done, keep on watching. As usual, when I'm doing a base coat for my gradients, water marbles, and so forth, I'll be going in and using 2 thin coats of Sinful Colors Snowy White. And the reason I usually go in with a white base is because it does help to make the colors pop more. Now that I've gone in and given my base coat some time to dry, I'll be applying a thin coat of Girly Bits Water Rush Top Coat, which will help speed up the drying process even more. And as always, before I start my nail art, I'll be going in and applying some of Girly Bits Border Patrol around my cuticles, which will help to really make the cleanup a lot easier. For my pastel gradient, I'll be going in and using Sally Hansen's Xtreme Wear Babe Blue along with Lacey Lilac and Zoya's Tiana and a latex free cosmetic wedge. For the gradient, I'll be going in and applying each of the colors horizontally, and I'll also be alternating them on the latex free cosmetic wedge. Once I've got that finished, I'll be going in and using a rolling and stippling motion on my nail to get the polishes to blend the way that I want them to help form my gradient. Once I've cleaned up around my cuticle, I'll be applying 1 thin coat of Girly Bits Water Rush Top Coat before I go in and do my stamping. Now that I've given the top coat some time to dry, I'll be going in and applying some more latex barrier around my cuticle to help protect them from the stamping. For the stamping nail art, I'll be using this ToSave JQ-50 stamping plate along with Mundo de Una's stamping polish Lavender and my all-time favorite clear jelly stamper Bling. And now that I've got everything cleaned up, I'll be going in and applying my last and final coat of Water Rush Top Coat. And here's a final look at my pastel gradient with stamping. I really love how delicate the background is with the gradient and how lovely the stamping looks on top of it. What are your thoughts on this nail art? Do you like it? Do you not like it? If so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And as always, I'll have the products listed in the comment box down below. And please don't forget to leave any comments and or questions that you may have as well. And to those of you that have been around on my channel for some time now, thanks for sticking around. And to any of my new followers, welcome, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And as always guys, stay glamorous.